Welcome to day 99 of our school year. One more day and we have 100 filled in. Alright, let's get down our beginning fraction. Our denominator is 180 because that's our total amount of school days, and we are at day 99. Okay, so let's find the factors of our numerator. Two factors we always know are 1 and the number itself. Using the commutative property, I can also do 99 times 1. Now I'm going to go through my divisibility rules in order so I don't miss any. So after 1, I try 2. The rule for 2 is that it ends in an even number. 9 is odd, so 2 is not a factor. And if 2 is not a factor, no even number will be. So all I need to do is try the odd numbers now. So next I try the rule for 3, which is to add the digits together. I get 18. 18 is a multiple of 3, so 3 is a factor. 3 times 33. 33 times 3. Next I try 5. The rule for 5 is that it ends in a 0 or 5. It ends in a 9, so 5 is not a factor. We try 7. 7 times 10 is 70, 77, 84, 91, 98, 105. 99 is not in that list, so 7 is not a factor. We try 9. The rule for 9 is the same as the rule for 3. We add the digits together. We get 18. 18 is a multiple of 9, so 9 is a factor. 9 times 11, 11 times 9. And there's only one counting number or natural number between 9 and 11, and that is 10. And 10 is even, so it won't work. Also, it doesn't end in a 0, so 10 will not work. So we get to 11, and we are done. Let's go ahead and list our factors from least to greatest. 1, 3, 9, 11, 33, 99. We have 6 factors. That is more than 2 factors, so it is composite. Now we need to find our greatest common factor. Well, we only have 81 school days left. So even though in the shaded area I could make a group of 99, there's already not enough left to make another group of 99. There's only 81 left. So let's go ahead and try 33. Your groups do not have to look like mine, but they must have 33 in each. And you need to make sure the shaded is kept separate from the unshaded. Okay, so 7 plus 20 is 27. Plus 3 more is 30. Plus 3 more is 33. 4 plus 20 is 24. Plus 6 is 30. Plus 3 more is 33. 1 plus 30 is 31. Plus 2 is 33. 8 plus 20 is 28, plus 2 is 30, plus 3 is 33. And we have 15 left over, so 33 does not work. We have a remainder. Okay, let's try 11. 10 plus 1, 9 plus 2, 3 plus 8. For me to make 11s, I think of what makes a 10 and then just add one more. So for 7, to make 10, I need to add 3. So to make 11, I just add one more, which is 4. 6 plus 5, 5 plus 6, 4 plus 7, 3 plus 8, 2 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 1, 9 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 7 plus 4, 6 plus 5, 5 plus 6. But I have 4 left over, so 11 didn't work. And I'm going to try 9. I'm going to cut 1 off of each of these rows because I know 10 minus 1 equals 9. So that's a fast way I can get groups of 9. Using my understanding of numbers and decomposition, using that reasoning. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have no remainder, so 9 works. 9, that's our greatest common factor. So we found it. Let's go ahead and count up our total groups of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20 total groups. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 shaded in. Now, 20 is one of those numbers that we can find our percent. Cent means 100 through 100, all the way to 100. To get 100, I can multiply by 5. 5 times 20, or 20 nickels, is 100 cents. And then 5 times 11 is 55. So 55 hundredths, or as a decimal, 55 hundredths is 55 per 100. 55 per 100, 55 per cent, because 100 means cent, cent means 100. Now that we've done our division with our model, let's go ahead and use our algorithm. So we are dividing both our numerator and our denominator by 9. Let's see. 10 times 9 is 90. Numbers the same, zeros the game, more on the floor, go next door, regroup 10 more. Except that's really actually 18 right there. 18 take away 9 is 9. 10 times 9 is 90. Numbers the same, zeros a game. Add our partial quotients. 10 plus 10 is 20. Here, 10 times 9 is 90. More on top, no need to stop. Numbers the same, zeros a game. 1 times 9 is 9. Numbers the same, zeros a game. Now you may have already noticed that 11 times 9 is 99, and you could have gotten there more quickly, and that is fine. I just wanted to show you there's more than one way to get to that right answer. 10 plus 1 is 11. Now we still need to check, which is the divisor times the quotient plus the remainder, divisor times quotient plus the remainder. Those are our inverse operations. Now because our remainder is 0 And the identity property of addition says when you add 0, it stays the same. We don't need to take time to add the 0. 9 groups of 0 is 0. 9 groups of 2 tens is 18 tens. 9 groups of 1 is 9. 9 groups of 10 is 9 tens. So 99, that checks our dividend up here. 180, that checks our dividend up here. So that means our numerator is definitely 11, and our denominator is definitely 20. All right, let's go ahead and fill in our data collection page. All right, we are in trimester 2, week 9. Today is 1/28/2020. And our fraction for today is 11/20. Gotta write that kind of small because we also want to get down that it's equivalent to 55 hundredths, which is equivalent to 55%. So today we are completing 55% of the school year. That means we have 45% of the school year left. Okay, we did groups of 9. Let's go ahead and get out our number line. Groups of 9 go all the way over. That halfway mark of 10/20 is our last one, so the next line over today is 11/20. There is an equivalent fraction in the 3's because 3 is a common factor, but 9 is our greatest common factor. So that gives us our simplest form or equivalent fraction in lowest terms. All right, go ahead and put your number line away. Erase your worksheet, and thank you for joining me.